Introducing the 2019 Seat Ateca 2.0tdi 150HP XE 5-door in sleek grey. This estate vehicle comes loaded with features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, LED lights, privacy glass, and much more. With safety features like collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim and a boot light for added convenience. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit bradyscavan.ie for more information today.